Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you get rid of criticism when you speak English language. People criticize on your speaking, that you are not speaking in good way. So I think that there are some tips that you can avoid from that criticism which you are facing from people, and you have this fear in your mind that people will laugh at me, they will make fun of my conversation. When these types of things will be in your mind, then I think that you will not improve yourself or your English language. Because I have also seen this experience when I'm working on my other YouTube channel. I'm uploading their video in national language, and when some of my video or one of my video went go viral, then I see some hated kind of comments below that video. So I think that when you will become more confident, more popular, your work will go viral, then you will face the criticism. Because this is the nature of some people, that they become jealous from your success, from your viral videos, and they try to demotivate you. Their main motive is to demotivate you, because they know that you are going towards the success, and they don't have any other option except criticizing you, giving bad comments below your videos, and ignoring type of comments. And when you will take notice of those comments, then I think they will succeed. Their main motive is to divert you from your actual goal. So don't conversate with them. Don't give them reply. Instead of giving them reply, I think that block them from your platform, so that they never see your other videos and they will not be able to comment again. Because this is the nature of those people. If you don't block them, after some time they will again give you the bad comment. So this is the penalty for them, that block them from your platform. For the rest of life, they will not be able to see your posts or videos. However, they can comment from other IDs, but whenever you see such kind of hated comments, block all IDs. I'm also doing this. Whenever I see bad comment below my posts or videos on all social media platforms, I never give a reply, or I never check